We have a full scenery shop in the theater building. It's a combination of wood, metal, and paint shops all in one place. We have a paint frame that is fully automated. The shop has a full range of power tools, including a plasma cutter, a saw-stop table saw, and we just upgraded our MIG welder and cold cut miter saw for cutting metal. Our scene shop's tool room is ridiculously organized, and we have a full paint room as well. We build, paint, and install all our scenery in the shop through a roll-up door across the hall and directly into the theater. Classes that use the space include stagecraft, advanced stagecraft, scenic design, props, and welding. Upstairs above the scene shop, we have a space we use as a design lab. It has been used in the past as a classroom, in addition to a place our students use to do design work for their classes and productions. Also upstairs is a full costume shop. While many of our shows are either pulled from stock or shopped, we also have the capability of constructing and altering costumes as needed. We have wonderful reciprocal agreements with many different schools in our area, and we loan and borrow from them often. We have an attic storage room full of our costumes and prop stock. This is in the attic, right in our building, easily accessible by student, faculty, and staff. There are areas in this building for our electric shop to use both for storage and for maintenance, and we do have some audio lab space in the building in the booth above the music hall.